Yes. I am an elvish queen. Did you not know that?
Are you? Well, you're tall enough to be one.
And thin enough.
Right? Hey, what's up you guys? Nick here from Pink Cat Photography, and today we're doing a behind the scenes video with Ariana in the studio using a Godox, I think it's the 860 V2 or something like that. Basically what we were trying to do is we were trying to get kind of a elf maiden look, warrior elf kind of look going. So let's jump into the behind the scenes. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe. So I want you to leave the gas mask exactly where it's at. We're gonna do some test photos real quick. I think that you're posed perfectly, at least to get started, and then I'll just let you know how you're framed so we know where we're posing at. So currently it's about at your shins or almost your ankles. The gas mask is in frame though, so we're gonna, if you wanna look right at the camera.
Clickety click.
And the lighting is almost right where I want it. We're gonna actually bring this down a hair. Perfect. I think that is gonna work great for the lighting. All right, so we're at about your thigh. If you wanna bring your hands up and very gently rest one right near the gas mask, just like that, that's perfect.
Gas mask?
Yeah, that's perfect. And then with your other one, just bring it up and gently touch your cheek. Just like that, perfect. Now look right down at me. And then I'm gonna actually have you bring your hand down, same starting pose, and I'll have you bring it down through your hair and then kind of twirl the very end of it.
Got it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go ahead.
That was a twirl, not a twirl.
Dude.
Oh my gosh. Those are so awesome.
Right? So I'm gonna have you kick one leg off, just like that.
You want the other one straight still?
So the other one, bend just a hair. Perfectly, just like that. Oh, these are coming out great. If you want to grab the gas mask and just stick it right on your leg, just like that, and hold it just like that. Perfect. Dude.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna have you lay back further, both legs up, but this time bend them just a hair, just like that. Perfect. And we're gonna add the sword to the mix. And we're actually going to put the sword right here. And if you wanna hold onto it right here.
Right here?
Yeah.
Like here or like?
No, just like with one or two, like that. That's perfect. Okay, hold that pose for just a moment.
I think I blamed the last one.
You did, but the first one you didn't.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
Right? So right now I want you to kind of lay the sword against you.
But still on the floor?
Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Maddie was jealous of your sword.
Yes.
Hold that pose. That looks absolutely perfect. And bring this up. There we are. I'm actually going to have you turn just a hair towards that. That way the reflector will light up that side of your face. For those of you who are wondering, we do have a V reflector right there, and we have our Godox light source right there. I'm going to turn that just a hair actually because I bumped it with the couch. Keep that pose. That looks great. And we're at about the bottom of the sword where I'm standing, so. Dude.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
So that one might become a print, you guys. I'm sure you just saw it on the screen. We're gonna find out. I am gonna start doing prints out of these videos, and this is a print hunting video. Ari, if you wanna back up just a hair right there, that's perfect. That's perfect, because you're covering up the line. So you will be full body again. Oh yeah, those ones are even better.
Oh, yes.
That one looks amazing. Okay, so I want to do you drawing it.
Oh no.
No, just kick it out back over. There we go.
There we go. Like that?
Yeah, that'll work perfectly. I'm gonna have you bring it up higher though. Think Mulan.
Let's get down to business.
Perfect. Okay, so right now it's about bust up. Hold it right there. Wait. Oh, there's a hair.
There's a hair in my eyeball.
That's the worst. Go ahead and close it. And I'm actually gonna have you draw it.
Multiple.
I'm gonna count you down, and I'm gonna have you draw it as far as you can from the count of 3. Okay. And I'm just gonna go fast. All right, 3, 2, 1. Dude.
Yes.
And the first one we got.
That's freaking awesome.
All right, so go ahead and pull it fully out. I'll take your scabbard. Pose it right in front of you, just like that. Perfect. And this is full body. Ooh. I know, that paper is annoying.
Do you want me to come in front of the paper?
Let's see how it looks. Yeah. If you want to step in front of the paper, perfectly, just like that.
Nice.
All right, so now we're gonna work with this wall right here.
Okay.
I'll just have you, to start, lean against the wall with the sword in front of you. And then after a few shots like that, we're actually gonna move up the sword so it's...
Sounds good.
Yeah.
And it's not sharp, so I can grab this part too.
Okay,
so you know.
cool. And this is battery operated.
Oh, nice.
So, no more cords tripping over, because I know I do that a lot. Okay. Dude, that's perfect.
I like this wall.
I do too. Can you put the gas mask on the other side?
Yep. You hold this.
Of course. I have a sword. I have a sword.
My face is different now too, but my hair's relatively the same length.
That's...
Yes. Yeah.
So I'm gonna back up just a hair.
Oh, that's fucking awesome. I'm freaking awesome. Can we curse on YouTube?
As long as it's past 30 seconds out. Okay, so I want you to sit, come off the wall just a hair this way. Perfect. And then I want you to bring the sword up.
Milan style again?
Not quite as cliche. I don't want you cutting off part of your face with it. Yeah, we're gonna move it just a hair to the side, just like that. Can you hold it one-handed?
Yes.
Perfect. You're a little stiff. You wanna tilt towards the light a hair. Perfect. Kick one leg out. Perfect. That adds a little bit of nuance. How's the light on that one? Oh man, the fierceness in your eyes.
Oh, nice. Yes. I am an elvish queen. Did you not know?
Are you? Well, you're tall enough to be one.
Thin enough.
Right?